is a poetry on flying birds. Flying birds, flying birds in the sky. Flying birds growing high into heaven's sky. Into heaven's sky. Unpremeditated art like blue sky. Like blue sky. Earth rejoice like poet expressing emotion, not as ocean, but light and thought in action, but light and thought in action. Melody of love, on silver sphere, just like droplet in air, droplets in air, flutter wings of beautiful rhymes, flutter wings of beautiful rhymes. Oh birds, my heart dance with romance in nature. It flies at twilight dawn. I have found your secrets. I have found your secrets. As pure as bliss spirit, as pure as blissful spirit, birds fly.